Are you craving fresh mountain air, breathtaking views, and the charm of a cozy mountain town? Welcome to the Sevierville Getaway, your gateway to the Smoky Mountains. It's just a short drive from Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, and Sevierville, Tennessee is a hidden gem. The perfect place to slow down, breathe deep, and smoke up that Tennessee magic in the Smoky Mountains. Hello again, everyone. I'm Todd McFadden, owner of S&T Properties LLC. So let's get started. Whether you're staying in a rustic log cabin or a modern mountain retreat, you'll feel right at home. Imagine mornings with coffee on the deck, nights by the fire, or a private hot tub under the stars. And for you adventure seekers, this is your playground. Hike through the Smoky Mountains National Park, saddle up for a scenic horseback ride, or even chase waterfalls on winding trails. And there's fun for everyone. From thrilling adventures to peaceful escapes. Whether you're traveling as a couple, family, or flying solo, Sevierville has something special for you. Shop till you drop at Tanger outlets, then refuel with some Southern comfort food. From slow smoke barbecue to homemade biscuits, your taste buds are in for a treat. Want a true Tennessee experience? Don't miss a visit to a local moonshine distillery, or head over to Dollywood for some country-fueled fun and excitement. So whether you're here for the adventure, connection, or simply to recharge, your Sevierville Getaway is waiting to wrap you in the warmth of the Smoky Mountains. Start planning your escape today, because the mountains are calling, and Sevierville is where the magic begins. If you need help, check us out at S&T Properties LLC. We're here for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Goodbye.